Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add a ads partner in Meta Business Suite. So let's say you're working with a client and you want them to add you as a partner, or maybe you have hired a person that you want to add as a partner for your work. Then I'll show you how easily you can do it. Especially if you're doing on the Instagram, then I'll show you how you can do it and manage your promotions there. So first you have to simply log in with your Meta Business Suite, and once have set it, then you have to simply go to your home page. So while you're on your home page, on the left side we have different options. So from all these options, at the bottom we have this option for settings. We just have to simply go into the setting. So for that reason, click the settings option. Once you click on the settings will open and it will show more options. So now on the left side we have options, and there we have this option which is add partnership. So simply click onto this option. Once you tap onto this option, it